Are you looking to get a credit card from Scotia Bank in 2025? You are in the right place. Today, I'm walk you through the simple steps to apply for more credit card, ensuring you are fully prepared for the process. Let's dive in. Gather your document. Before you start, make sure you have all necessary document and at hand. You will need proof of income, let's 3 months pay slip or a job letter if you are self-employed. Gather 6 months of bank statement and tax return. Identification, two pieces of ID such as a passport and driver's license. Loan and asset details, information about existing loan and credit card debt. Step 2. Choose your card. Scotiabank offers various credit cards tailored to different needs, including cashback, travel rewards, and low interest options. Take a moment to compare these options on their website to find the best fit for you. Step 3. Make an appointment. Once you have selected your credit card and gather your document, it's time to make an appointment at your preferred branch. You can easily do this online by clicking on the branch locator on Scotiabank website. Step 4. Complete the applications. During the appointment, submit your application along with your documents. The bank will review your information and assess your eligibility based on the credit card criteria. Remember, approval may depend on your income and credit history. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, there's a brief waiting period. If approved, you will receive a new credit card in the mail. In conclusion, applying for the credit card at the Scotiabank straightforward. If you come prepared, make sure to gather all necessary documents, choose the right card for your needs, and follow through your application process. If this video helpful, give it a thumb and subscribe for more tech tutorials.